Alright, I got that cat replaced. Here's just a verified repair. Here's what it's supposed to look like. Can I go ahead and rev it up a little bit? Like I said, it's still pretty cold, but as you can see, sensor 2, you know, the post-cat sensor, not cycling nearly like the front. I'll get some throttle to heat up the sensors. So the engine's kind of cold, so. You can see, I mean, it starts dropping a little bit and it will cycle down, but it doesn't follow that front sensor. You see, before it would follow that all the way down and up. Now it goes back up, 890 millivolts. But there's a verified repair right there. There's all kinds of good videos out on there about oxygen storage and pre and post cat. But this right here is how you tell if your cat's actually working or not. Whenever it follows the frontal 2, it's not doing anything. But like I said, if I was to put propane in the intake, this would shoot up to 900 millivolts. This would stay up at 900 millivolts, and then as soon as you turn it off, that would go down, and a little bit later that would go down. But there's the verified fits. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. I didn't make a video of putting the cat in. It's 5 nuts. It's not really that big of a deal, but alright, thanks for watching. Bye.